Alright, hello guys, welcome to the Genius IT Brainery online tutorial support center, and I want to welcome you all to our class today. And this lecture is supposed to introduce you briefly to what Excel is, and you can take note whilst I do this in order to help you gain some pre-knowledge and then also be able to explore your understanding of the concepts of Excel. Today we'll be embarking on an exciting journey into the world of Microsoft Excel. So whether you are new to the software or you have some experience with it, this course will ultimately provide you with the essential skills and knowledge to excel. Now you might also be wondering what Microsoft Excel is and why it's important to learn a software like this. Well, let me answer you with that question. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that is developed by Microsoft itself, and it's being widely used in various industries. It's being used in business and educational institutions around the globe. I mean, everywhere. Any office you get to, you see Microsoft Excel at work. And Excel is versatile and indispensable in terms of it being a tool for organizing, to analyzing, to presenting of data in a structured manner. All right. So Excel is powerful. You need to have that understanding of its use and then be able to take advantage of its abilities. All right. So now let's look at some reasons why we should be able to learn, or we should learn Excel for ourselves. The first one quickly is what data management. So Excel is useful for data management. Excel allows you to efficiently manage and manipulate large amounts of data. You can enter, sort, filter, and even analyze data with ease, which is going to make it, or which makes it easy, okay, and invaluable in terms of it being a tool for tasks like budgeting, for inventory management, and even data tracking, right? Now, number two, Excel can be used for calculations and analysis as well. Excel provides a wide range of mathematical and statistical functions that enable you to perform complex calculations and also to analyze a lot of data effortlessly. It can handle everything from basic arithmetic operations to advanced formulas and functions, helping you make informed decisions based on data-driven insights. Okay, so you don't make decisions anyhow. You make decisions using what data, and Excel can help you to put this data together, analyze it, and make predictions from this data that you have gathered. Number three is visualization. Now with Excel, you can create visual appealing charts, graphs, and tables to present your data in a meaningful way. Visualization makes it easier to understand trends, to understand patterns, and even relationships within your data, making your presentations more engaging and even impactful. If you have taken our Microsoft Word lesson previously or pre to this course, you would see how tables are used to present data and make it more meaningful, right? So Excel gives you the chance to even do that on a larger scale and even in a more professional manner, right? Number four is time and even task tracking. Excel offers various features such as conditional formatting, data validation, and automated calculations, which can greatly streamline your work and even save time. You can create templates, you can track deadlines, and even set up reminders, enhancing your productivity and organizational skills. Number five on my list here is career advancement. Excel is very proficient, right? So proficiency in Excel is highly valued in the job market. Many industries, including financial industries, marketing industries, sales, human resource, and data analysis, requires a lot of employees who can effectively utilize Excel to manipulate and interpret data. So learning Excel opens up a wide range of career opportunities and enhances your employability. So throughout this course, we will cover the fundamental concepts of Excel, starting with the basics and then gradually progressing to more advanced topics or concepts. You will learn about data entry, you will learn about formatting, you will learn about formulas and functions, you will learn about chart creations, and many more. So I encourage you to actively participate, ask questions when you come for lectures, and practice what you have been taught, and reinforce your understanding every time you go back home to practice, all right? So let's dive into the fascinating world of Microsoft Excel, where numbers come to life and data becomes your most powerful ally. Right, so I'll see you in the next video whilst we delve into this interesting skills concept, which is offered to you by Microsoft Excel. So thank you. This is Genius IT Brainery Tutorial Support Center, and we are here to give you understanding and to equip you with the skills needful for industry and to make you more productive and successful. Bye.